Yo, what is up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to the VVS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, I got a really crazy video for you guys today. You saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. I'm be showing you guys exactly, step by step, how to make your cheap mic sound expensive. All right, you don't have to spend a lot to get industry quality, professional sounding vocals. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it with the gear you already have. And if you're on the fence or looking to pick up some new gear, I'm gonna be reviewing something today sent over to me from Fine. This is their Tank. It's the mic I'm talking into right now, and it's the mic that we recorded on for this video. Matter of fact, let's just dive right into the video. I'm gonna let you guys hear how it sounds right now. So these vocals I'm gonna play you right now were actually recorded at our studio. Right, so it's in a fully treated booth. It's going into the Apollo, all the outboard gear. We use the Slate ML1 mic. It's the top of the line, really dope setup, right? And we're going to be shooting it up against just this one voiceover mic. We're going to make this mic sound identical to the full vocal chain. So let's hear the full studio vocals now. Let's get it.
Checking out, cause real niggas fuck around and get their feelings hurt. Tryna say it is, but it isn't worth it. Not because I bought a million purses. Tryna show you that you really perfect, but I was wrong.
Cool, and as you can hear, the vocals already sound good. Let's go ahead and dive into the vocals that we recorded on this mic. And we just recorded them right here in this regular room. No treatment on the walls, nothing crazy. We just literally plug this mic into our Focusrite Scarlett and record it. So let's hear them.
Cause real niggas fuck around and get their feelings hurt. Tryna say it is, but it isn't worth it. All because I bought a million purses. Tryna show you that you really perfect, but I was wrong.
Cool. So as you can hear, the vocals, they sound different, right? The biggest thing that I noticed is that since we used all that outboard gear at the studio, we were able to use a high pass filter so we could roll off a lot of the low end, the rumble and stuff that we didn't need. We also recorded with an LA two-way style compressor, so we were able to get some compression on the way in as well. And we used a condenser mic in a well-treated room. So we got all of the nuance, all of the detail from the vocal, a lot of the things that you kind of miss when you use a dynamic mic like this. But there's still pros. This dynamic mic is great for recording in untreated spaces like this because it does a good job of only picking up the things that are right in front of it. So if you listen to that vocal again, and I'll mute the beat, you don't hear any ambient sounds, you don't hear any background noise or anything like that. It sounds like we recorded it in a well-isolated vocal booth. Watch this.
Cause real niggas fuck around and get their feelings hurt. Tryna say it is, but it isn't worth it. All because I bought a million purses. Tryna show you that you're really perfect, but I was wrong.
And the beauty of getting a recording like that is, number one, we have the ability to now add our own reverb, and we can place this vocal in the space that we want it to be in rather than the space that we recorded it in. But also, we don't get that dead, dull, boxy sound of recording in a foamed out closet. You know what I mean? Like the vocal still sounds alive, and it still sounds like we can do something with it. So let's bring the music back. Let's go and grab that high pass filter and roll off some of the low end and see if that helps us get any closer. I'm going to be using Slate Digital for this video. So the first plugin I'm going to grab actually is the Custom Series EQ right here. And of course I grabbed the wrong one right here. There it is. I like the EQ curve on the high pass filter here. I'm going to go above and then I'll work my way back.
Cause real niggas fuck around and get their feelings hurt. Tryna say it is, but it isn't worth it. All because I bought a million purses. Tryna show you that you're really perfect, but I was wrong.
And I think really already we're starting to get a lot closer. Let's go ahead and listen back to the studio vocals.
Cause real niggas fuck around and get their feelings hurt. Tryna say it is, but it isn't worth it. All because I bought a million purses. Tryna show you that you really perfect, but I was wrong.
Yeah, I really miss though the saturation that you get from using hardware. There's a lot more upper mid-range sound meat to the vocal that we're missing that we're going to try to bring back. So the first thing I'm going to do is, one, let's go ahead and bring the volume up. The volume is down. I also feel like there was a volume difference. Let's see if that was it. Let's hear the home studio vocals.
Cause real niggas fuck around and get their feelings hurt. Tryna say it is, but it isn't worth it. Cause real niggas fuck around and get their feelings hurt.
Yeah, the studio vocals are just much louder, and it's not even so much a loudness thing; they're just more clear. But we're gonna work on that. Let's add some 10K here. We're gonna add a decent amount.
Cause real niggas fuck around and get their feelings hurt. Tryna say it is, but it isn't worth it. All because I bought 1,000,000 purses. Tryna show you that you're really perfect, but I was wrong. Cause real niggas fuck around and get their feelings hurt. Tryna say it is, but it isn't worth it. All because I bought 1,000,000 purses. Tryna show you that you're really perfect, but I was wrong.
Cool, I like that. I think we're getting a lot closer to where we want to be. Let's get some compression going so we can replace the compression that we didn't get to track with. So if we tracked with an LA2A, let's go ahead and add one here. And we're going to do very light compression, like 3, 5 at the loudest parts of gain reduction. So let's watch the needles and get what we need.
Cause real niggas fuck around and get their feelings hurt. Tryna say it is, but it isn't worth it. All because I bought 1,000,000 purses. Tryna show you that you're really perfect, but I was wrong. Cause real niggas fuck around and get their feelings.
And so, full disclosure, I think the first couple of words, it was just bad mic technique. I think he got too close and it kind of like plosived the mic out. So I don't know how close we can get those first couple of words. Honestly, we probably should have re-recorded it. We just probably didn't notice while we were recording, but we'll keep trying.
Cause real niggas fuck around and get their feelings hurt. Tryna say it is, but it isn't worth it. All because I bought 1,000,000 purses. Tryna show you that you're really perfect, but I was wrong.
All right, let's hear that compared to the studio vocal. I'm starting to forget what it sounded like.
Cause real niggas fuck around and get their feelings hurt. Tryna say it is, but it isn't worth it.
Yeah, so I think we got a little bit too loud. And also, we're still missing the saturation. So I think I have a tool that's going to help us with that.
Cause real niggas fuck around and get their feelings hurt. Tryna say it is, but it isn't worth it. All because I bought 1,000,000 purses. Tryna show you that you're really perfect, but I was wrong.
Yeah, this one right here, Fresh Air, is a cheat code, man, and it's completely free. So if you don't have this one from Slate, go pick up Fresh Air. It's a game changer for me. Let's go ahead and boost some. Let's just add some effect. We're also gonna trim some back because it does add volume.
Cause real niggas fuck around and get their feelings hurt. Tryna say it is, but it isn't worth it. All because I bought 1,000,000 purses. Tryna show you that you're really perfect, but I was wrong.
Let's see what we got here. Let's get this out of the way. I'm gonna switch back to the studio vocals.
Cause real niggas fuck around and get their feelings hurt. Tryna say it is, but it isn't worth it. All because I bought 1,000,000 purses. Tryna show you that you're really perfect, but I was wrong.
I don't know, man. I think we might be pretty close to where we're trying to get to.
Checking out, cause real niggas fuck around and get their feelings hurt. Tryna say it is, but it isn't worth it. All because I bought 1,000,000 purses. Tryna show you that you're really perfect, but I was wrong.
So yeah, what's that, about 5 minutes? I think it took us about 5 minutes to kind of match those vocals up pretty close, man. Considering the price difference and when you factor in everything, man, like the treated room and the isolation, all that kind of stuff, it's a good look. It's a good look, but I don't want to make it sound like it's all good. So let's talk about some of the negatives that come along with this mic. So if you look at the back of this mic, you'll notice right here is a USB-C connection, because this mic actually has an audio interface built into it. You can plug this mic directly into your computer and use it to amplify and record, basically to convert your signal. There's an audio converter built into the mic, so it'll convert this analog signal into digital for you. You don't need an external interface or anything like that. There's knobs right here on the side of the mic. Let's see if I can show these to you. Yes, these knobs on the side of the mic One will control the volume of the actual preamp to turn up the volume of the mic, and the other one is for your headphones that you can also plug into the mic so you can monitor at the same time. It's a really cool feature. The problem is that a dynamic mic requires a lot of gain, a lot of power, and when you start to turn this preamp up, you hear it. It adds a lot of noise, and it gets very distorted towards the higher end of the it can get rough if you get loud with it, but you also need to add gain in order to be able to hear yourself. So the preamp that comes built into this mic isn't the greatest. That's one drawback that I've found. But if you already have an audio interface and you're looking for a mic, I say you could look into the Amplitank 3, man. I'll leave you guys a link down below so you can check it out if it's something you're into. But look, man, these are the tips I'm giving you guys week in and week out. And if you need a little bit more help, drop me a line down below. My name is Vivi, and I'm here for you. Remember to stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
Checking out, cause real niggas fuck around and get their feelings hurt. Tryna say it is, but it isn't worth it. All because I bought a million purses. Tryna show you that you're really perfect, but I was wrong.